Mac's UC Desktop Client is a business softphone that easily integrates with your existing communication services. Available for Mac and Windows, the Mac's UC application can be downloaded directly from your ComPortal web interface. Once complete, locate the Mac's UC Desktop Client icon and launch the application. First, you will need to select your service provider. You will then be prompted for your email address and password. Enter your ComPortal phone number and password and press Login. Proceed to read and accept your user agreement. Your softphone is now ready to use.